In this video, we are going to see how we can change the default voice of ChatGPT. So for example, if you're talking by this feature, that is use voice in ChatGPT, and you get a certain voice of whether female or male, and you want to switch it to some other character, here's how you can easily switch the voice or change the voice in ChatGPT. All you have to do is just click on the bottom left hand corner where you see your profile icon. Click on that and head over to the settings. From here, we get a separate tab that is voice. You click on that, and the language, it will auto detect the language, but for model, you can choose whatever model you want.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
Hey, it's great to meet you.
Hi there, nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
So for example, I like this voice. You can choose that. You can choose advanced or standard version. Advanced is fine. And you basically close that. Just to make sure that everything is saved properly, we go back to the same area and just see if the voice is saved properly. And after that, whenever you start talking to ChatGPT using the use voice feature, it will always talk in that specific voice.
I don't have to. I can adjust the tone or style if...
So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.